Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one washing machine for the repair. It is brand wise Candy brand. Having problem with the touch display. When we are giving power, we cannot select any option, but start post button not working. Because of that, we collected to the workshop. Now we are going to check what is the problem exactly. We will check maybe it is problem with it is touch screen display, and we will check what is the problem. We have to remove the main control board with the panel, and after that only we can check. We will go to the next step. The power connection. Now I am going to check what is the problem exactly. Now I am selecting here drain and spins option, and it is showing 10 minutes with the display. Now this is the problem. This touch start post button not working, but any other everything's touching. See, you can hear the noise also is touching, but this one not touching. We cannot select any option, because of that only we collected. Now we have to remove the top cover, and we have to remove the panel. Everything door also not getting locked, because if it should be the start the machine, after that only door lock getting locked. This one not touching, and we will remove the top cover, and we will remove the front panel, and we will check. Now I'm going to remove the front top cover. Back of the cover having 2 screws. And we will remove like that. And we removed already. Also here 2 screws, detergent drawer with the panel. Now we can take it out. Now we can remove the connectors, all the connector from the PCB. Okay, we remove the connectors from the control board. Now we have to remove the main control board from the panel, because we have to check properly what is the exactly problem, why it's not getting touched. This is the ribbon touch screen, and we will check. We will remove the main control board. We remove all the locks. Now this one we can take it out. After pressing this 2 sides, it will come out. It's like that. This is the lock. This ribbon, I think it is having problem. If we can change the ribbon, it will be okay, but anyway we will check what we can do. Yeah. Now we are going to remove the touch carbon ribbon. We have to very careful, we have to remove this one. Also we have to refix another one because already this one gone. We cannot repair this one, we have to replace. Now I am going to remove this ribbon. So I already removed. I am going to replace the another one. I am going to replace this one. This is the same parts. This is the measurement. Here it should be touched properly. Now I already stick here. Now I am going to refix the also now we have to fix main control board, and you have to turn here. This is the knob position, it should be the same, otherwise we cannot fix. I fixed already. Now we have to fix the carbon, the ribbon here. And just like this, and after that we have to lock properly. Now it's okay. Then I'm going to check again. Now I'm going to give the connections. Here. And also this connector here, it's not changing, we cannot fix If it is changing, we cannot fix. It's come like that. Also here, I already given power connection connectors. Now we can check again. Now I given already power connection. Now I am selecting drain and spin. It's working properly, it's touching. Yes. Now our job already done. Thanks for watching my channel, and we will meet with another video. Now we have to fix